Can a small device that generates healing frequencies actually improve your health? Or is this just another wellness gadget riding on hype? So, today we're talking about the Bexxly Harmonia. It's being marketed as a custom healing frequency generator, basically a wellness device that claims it can help with relaxation, balance your energy, improve focus, and support overall well being using sound or frequency based technology. Sounds interesting, right? But also a little questionable. So let's break it down properly. All right, so what exactly is the Harmonia? Based on what's shown, the Bexley Harmonia is a small wellness device that supposedly emits specific frequencies designed to influence your mood, stress levels, and energy. It's part of a broader wellness kit, and it's positioned more like a holistic lifestyle tool rather than a medical device. The idea behind it is simple. You place it near you, turn it on, and it plays or generates certain frequency patterns that are supposed to help your body and mind reset or rebalance. The brand talks a lot about concepts like energy alignment, stress reduction, emotional balance, mental clarity, and it's usually bundled in a kit that includes different modes or settings depending on what you want to target, like relaxation, sleep, or focus. Now, to be clear, this is not a medical device. It doesn't diagnose or treat conditions in a clinical sense. It's positioned more in the wellness and alternative therapy space. And that's where things start getting a bit tricky to judge.
Let's go through the pros first. Pros? First, it's non-invasive and easy to use. You don't have to do anything complicated. Just turn it on and let it run. Second, it fits into the wellness routine trend. A lot of people already use things like meditation apps, white noise machines, or calming sound devices, so this kind of blends into that lifestyle. Third, some users might genuinely feel relaxed just from the experience itself, and that's not something to ignore. If it helps you slow down, that has value. Now, the cons, and this is where we need to be honest. Cons. First, the biggest issue is lack of scientific proof. Claims about healing frequencies are controversial, and there's not strong mainstream medical evidence supporting most of these effects. Second, the results are very subjective. If you feel better using it, that's great, but it could also be placebo or just the calming effect of taking a break. Third, pricing versus expectations. Wellness devices like this can sometimes be expensive, and you're mostly paying for the concept and branding rather than proven clinical benefits. So yeah, it's not harmful, but the claims definitely need to be taken with caution.
Looking at what people are saying online, the opinions are honestly split. Some users say they enjoy using it as part of their relaxation routine. They describe it like a modern version of meditation music or a white noise machine. It helps them unwind, focus, or fall asleep easier. But on the other side, a lot of skeptical users point out that there's no real evidence behind the frequency healing claims. Some even say it feels more like a lifestyle gadget with strong marketing rather than something scientifically grounded. And then there are users in the middle. They basically say, I don't know if it works scientifically, but it helps me relax, so I keep using it. So overall, the feedback isn't about whether it works medically, but more about whether it feels useful in daily life. So, is the Bexley Harmonia legit or just hype? Honestly, it's more of a wellness lifestyle gadget than a proven healing device. If you treat it like a relaxation tool, it might be worth trying. But if you're expecting real, measurable health improvements, you're probably going to be disappointed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.